What's happening, everybody? It's raining, and it's rained for the past few days, and we've had a lot of rain. And because of that, some place very dear to me has now completely changed again. I did a video last year on Silver Lake, which is where I grew up, and how when Hurricane Matthew came through and it breached the dam was destroyed and the lake lost all its water. You can see that right up here. But because of all this rain, for the first time in 2 years, Silver Lake has water again, and it's flowing over the dam. So I want to share a little bit of video that I did today. It's nothing special, but I did want to show you what Silver Lake looks like. If you compare it to that other video, you'll kind of see what I'm talking about here. Hope you enjoy. Thanks.